Hello and welcome back, Grillman's Garage. I'd like to introduce you to the Ameta S20 Lite budget-friendly beginner drone. Okay, it's about 68 bucks US, so that is definitely budget, under 100 bucks, and it does have a 1/3.2 camera that takes 4K photos and 2K video. SD card, optical flow sensor on the bottom, no GPS, no electronic stabilization, solid mounted camera, but it is adjustable up and down with the controller. Okay, nice controller, holds a large phone, and does have an app so you can see the video transmission, which comes in at 720p. Really good for a budget drone. Many features that are in much more expensive drones. One that I really like is that the batteries are USB-C chargeable. Really good. Okay, let's get on the pad. Let's get up. Let's have a fly up and down here. Let's see how it handles. Okay, I'll show you how simple it is. We just press and hold. There we go. Put that down, and I'm going to point it that way. So if I use headless mode, I can bring it back. Push this. It's connected. We're now going to start our do recorder. It is there. Okay, let's start the Ameta app. And we'll start our screen recorder. 3, 2, 1. We'll see here it says connection. I'm going to hit the connection. Just keep hitting the connection. Easiest way to do it. You don't have to worry about going into your connectivity program or your Wi-Fi. You just keep on connecting. When it lights up, hit connect again. There we are, connect. And it connects, it says successful, and automatically opens up the main interface and shows you the video transmission. We can go up and down. Okay, up and down, up and down. We'll go down one. Okay, let's see how easy it is to get this thing in the air. Here we go, press and hold. And we have an SD card in so we can take a video if we like. Here it is. Up it goes. Okay. Up we go and come this way. Okay. Let's go forward a bit. There we go. Let's come over here. Let's have a look at that. Okay. Let's just have a look at this coming around down here like this. There we go. And we're going to fly just down the driveway. Okay, just fly down the driveway. Let's take a video. Let's take a video. Okay, video is that button. There we go. Take a video and go nice and slow. And you can take your video, go nice and slow where you want to go. Okay, it's on speed 1, so that's pretty good. And we can turn around. Come back. Flies pretty good. There we go. Now if I hit the land button, goes down slowly. And lands. Okay, we have up here, if we go to here, we have control. We have gyroscope. We can hit the gyroscope, calibrate, and it just does it. Success. There you go. Go back out. Let's see if we can start that again. Up it goes again. Okay, turn it around. Up. Up, down we go. And we can turn around big time. There we go, come on back. Boom. There we go, stop it. Stop that video. And we can take a picture. Howdy doody. There we go. We can point that camera up a little bit and take another picture. Now it's kind of dark. because that's where we're at. We can bring it in. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to land it on the snow. Let's have a look at the snow here. Okay, here we go. And we're just going to come forward, forward, a little bit this way. There we go, and land. Boom. Oof. There we go. Okay, turn this off. There we go, turn this off. Okay, we've turned everything off. Okay, oh, I might as well stand here then. There we go. So we've got the Ameta S20 Lite by Ameta, beginner drone, budget friendly, and I don't think you can say anything bad about it really. You know, it flies, it hovers, drives around, takes pictures and photos, and I'll show you some of the better photos that it takes when the weather wasn't quite as bad. Okay, it wasn't quite as gloomy. But that's one thing about here in Southern Ontario this year. This is about as good as it's ever gotten. I mean, it's been a horrible year for flying drones. But we have the budget-friendly beginner drone from Ameta, which I can see why. It's the #1 selling beginner drone on Amazon. Okay? Stay tuned for more. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Let's have some fun.